Hey, sweetie. Good morning. How's your sleep? That's good. I'm glad. I'm glad your sleep is good. How's your, how's your stomach doing? It's good. That's good. How's your head? Do you still have the headache? No? That's good, baby. I'm glad you're feeling better. No, sweetie, is there anything I can get you? Water, breakfast, brand new purse, yeah? Brand new car. I remember you like seeing that Lamborghini. I can get you 3 of those. Or maybe like a jet. Do you want a jet, sweetheart? Anything go on, sweetie. No, you just want to lie down here and cuddle. Yeah? I can do that. We can lie here and cuddle. You know, pretty soon, it's gonna be the 3 of us. Me, you, and the baby. I know, I think it's crazy too. I really never thought in a million years that I would be a father. It's crazy, but I can honestly tell you that it really is a dream come true. And it makes me so happy. No, sweetie, don't worry, okay? Everything's gonna be okay. And I promise. I know it can be a little nerve-wracking, but we'll figure it out on the way. You have me, and I have you. And our baby's gonna be so beautiful. It is. And I'll always take care of you. And I'll always take care of the baby. So everything's gonna be okay. Okay. I promise. Let me rub your belly. When I feel your belly. Your skin's so smooth. It really is. I think I can feel the baby kick. Right there. The baby's moving, huh? No, I can't believe that we're gonna be parents soon. That's crazy. It's wild. Oh, sweetie. You don't have to worry, okay? You don't have to worry, everything's gonna be okay. course, everything's gonna be okay. You're gonna be a great mother, okay? You're gonna be a really good mother. Trust me. I know you're gonna be a really good mother, okay? Well, you're gonna be a good mother because you're so caring. You're so loving. You're so nurturing. And I mean, that's why I fell in love with you in the first place. Not only that, you would make a great MILF, so that's gonna be cool. I love you. I mean, yeah. Of course, I'm gonna be a good father. I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love the baby. I'm gonna be the best father I can be. And the best husband I can be. I promise. I mean, you and the baby. You guys are my everything. You guys are my absolute everything. And I'm gonna do whatever it takes to protect you and the baby and to take care of you and the baby. So, don't worry, okay, my little princess. I remember when I first saw you, when I first laid my eyes on you. I thought you were the most beautiful girl in the whole world. I really did. I was so nervous when I tried to come up and talk to you. I was so scared. I didn't know what to say. I was shocked. I was shocked that you gave me your number. I was excited too. Then when we went on our first date, it was magical. I remember what you wore. I remember what perfume you were wearing. I can smell it today. I thought you were the most amazing thing in the world. You were so kind. You were so sweet. You were just so amazing. That day I really felt madly in love with you. I never felt anything like it. And here we are now, soon to have a family. This is literally one of the most amazing journeys I have ever been on with anyone. And I'm so glad that I get to go on this journey with you. No, the baby's kicking kind of hard right now. Are you okay? Yeah, that was a shocker. I felt it. Sweetie, let me grab you that hot water bottle heat pad thing for your stomach. Yeah, it's gonna make you feel better, okay? Give me 1 second. sweetie, I got you your warm water bottle. Here, let me put this on your belly, yeah. There you go. Doesn't it feel better? Does, huh? Of course. I'll do anything for you guys. Anything for you and the baby. Here, scoot over a bit. Let me cuddle with you. You know, you got the most beautiful eyes I have ever seen in my life. I'm serious. Your eyes are really something special. And I'm not just telling you this to impress you or anything. I'm not. I mean, your eyes, they sparkle. Especially when you talk about something you love. They really do sparkle. I mean, it can be kind of distracting sometimes, but I don't mind it. I mean, who wouldn't get lost in those beautiful eyes? I mean, I get lost in them all the time, I do. Especially when the light hits your eyes just right. It makes your eyes glow. Gives it this unique beauty. But honestly, sweetie, you should be really careful with eyes like those. You might steal someone's heart without even trying. In your lips. I mean, you got the most beautiful lips in the world. You really do. There's something about your lips that just draws me in. When you smile, it lights up the whole room. It's like everything fades away but me and you. And I feel so lucky to be here with you. And when you speak, I could listen to you for hours. Your voice combined with the way your lips move just mesmerizes me. It makes everything you say feel so special. Your lips are not just beautiful, they hold so much warmth and kindness in them. It makes it comforting to be close to you. I mean, sweetheart, you're amazing inside and out. And your lips are just, a part of it.